Part 4 of my cat.
And
Guess what?
Simba lost the challenge.
Guess what?
Simba
There's not only is my cat here, there's a stray cat. It's a stray.
You said that 2 times. That is not a stray, that's Maureen's cat next door. I know.
I'm filming. This is going on YouTube.
Oh, heck. Look at the guy sleeping. They're both going to sleep in a minute. Simba's already...
Doesn't he remind you of Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon? Simba's
already asleep.
You're doing a staring contest, but it's weird. Weird.
Simba's asleep, though.
Yeah.
And he's woke up.
No, his eyes are already twitching.
Wait,
no.
I've got to say,
sub to Waffles.
Can I hold it?
Sub to Waffles.
Guess what? You should sub to Waffles.
Yes.
If you don't,
you're gonna die.
Well, seriously, you're not. You're just gonna... These 2 cats are gonna get killed. And you do not want that to happen.
Do you? So don't do it.
Bye. So subscribe and like.
And this is weird.